Okay, in the first step we will create the table for the 4 bar charts. Here you see the different cities, so we have here New York, Los Angeles, Miami and Chicago. And for each cities we've got the different categories, and here we've got the actual values and the values from the last year, and here the deviation. So in the first step we will create only the positive value. That means we will use the following formula. So if the value from cell F9 bigger than 0, then we will take the cell F9. If not, we will take 0. Then we will copy this formula and put it down. For the negative value, so if the deviation is smaller than 0, we will use the formula if the cell F9 smaller than 0, then we will use the absolute value, so we will use ABS here, and if not we will use 0 and copy it down. So, and you see here we have here a positive value, just for example 15 instead of -15. That's very important for the different scale and the charts in a later part. Then we will create the maximum value. So max, and we will choose these cells here. Semicolon, we will choose these cells from here, semicolon, from Miami and from Chicago. So now we will copy the formula from the positive and negative value for the other cities. And we will make the check for the maximum. So we got 30 here, that's 30, and here in the city Los Angeles for the shoes we've got also 30. And then we will create the minimum value. It's here E9 multiplied with -1. That is very important for the unit scale in the charts.